Today is a beautiful day, sunny, it's very hot, humid. Alright, guess what? Today is good day for barbecue. Yes guys, for barbecue. But don't be scared. Don't be scared guys. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, today I'm gonna make a very special burger. Alright guys, very special burger. Alright, that's what I need to do this delicious burger. Alright, you guys ready? Okay, let's go. Okay guys, I have here a half teaspoon of salt. I have 3 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. I have here 2 tablespoons of mustard. I have 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise to give that good flavor guys. Alright, I have here 4 slices peanut. Alright, 4 slices of tomatoes. I have 8 slices of bacon. Alright, bacon guys, but it's good. Alright guys, I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys don't like black pepper, just don't use. Alright, I have 1 teaspoon of oregano. I have 2 teaspoons of garlic. Also, I have a half onion. Alright, doesn't have to be big onion. Regular size, medium size, right? I have a half. I have 4 red slices of onion. Alright, so I have 1 pickle, small pickle. Not doesn't have to be the big one, small. I have here 8 slices of 3 pepper Colby jack cheese. Alright guys, that's spice. They're good if you guys don't like spice. Cheese, you guys can use a regular cheese. Alright, and this one I put 8 because they are very thin. Alright, very thin, so I put 2 each. So I have here 1 cup of lettuce, slice, so that's very thin. And I have the ketchup, and I have onion. I have here the onion roll. Alright guys, delicious, very good. And ketchup, and have 1.5 pounds of chopped meat. Alright, so let's mix this. Ready? But don't be scared guys. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna start here now with salt. Bingo. Salt. And put here now the teriyaki sauce. Alright, very good. Looking good. It's looking good guys. I have here, what else? Okay, black pepper. Alright, black pepper. Also the oregano. See guys, the color and the flavor is come together. Alright, for you guys. Alright, let's go. I have my onion powder here. Looking good. Also, I have here half onion. I cut finely chopped. Okay, so all right. So all the other ingredients I'm gonna use later, right? And this also, this has to, I'm gonna mix with the mayonnaise, right? But this I will show you guys later, all right? So now let's have to put your hands. My hands is clean. I just wash my hands. Right guys, now we're gonna mix together so all the flavor penetrate. Alright, it's looking good and it smells good guys, and I'm hungry. Alright, very good, mix very well. Alright, looking good. Alright, very good. Okay, let's mix. Okay, now let's start to do this burger. Okay guys, alright. First you have to roll, make like a ball. Right? Like a ball. Alright, looking good. Make a ball. Right? Got it like that, right? Alright, let's go. Bingo. Alright. good. That's the second one. This is enough for 6 burgers, right? But I'm making only 4 today. Alright guys, and I'm gonna save this. I will do tonight, right? This is my lunch, and tonight I'm gonna have more burgers. Alright? Alright? Very good. Alright, bingo. Very good. Okay guys, also I have bacon, right? You guys saw here the bacon, right? But this I'm gonna cook outside the barbecue, right? So I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna take this. Alright? Follow me. Alright guys, here you go. Let's put this baby in the barbecue. Alright. So first I'm gonna cook the bacon. Alright, that's very big. Looking good. Alright, has 8 bacons. Alright. Very good. Alright. Looking good guys. Little piece there. Alright, now this is cooking. Alright, so now let's go with burgers. Looking good. Right? Very good. You guys, this baby is cooking. Alright? I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, time to check. Alright? Alright, very good. Look at that. So now my bacon is ready. Looking good. Nice and crispy. Alright guys? Nice and crispy. I'm getting hungry. Alright. Like that. So now I'm trying to flip. Alright. Very good. Looking good. Looking good guys. Right? Come back here. Alright. Okay guys. Looking good. Looking good. Right? See you guys later. Alright guys, time to check. Ooh, yes, it's ready. It's ready for the cheese. Alright, very good. Nice and spicy. Love spice cheese. Very good. Right? And time to put the bread. The rest I can put the bread here. You don't want to cook this too much, just a little bit, just to warm up. Alright? So, see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, the burger is almost ready. Alright? So now I want to show you guys my mustard and my mayonnaise. Right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix both together. You guys, the color and the flavor comes together. Very good. Alright. Now you mix. Alright? Very good. It's looking good. Make sure you mix very well, alright? Alright. Very good. It's looking good. Okay guys, I have to check my burgers, alright? Hey guys! Alright! Hey guys, this is my cheeseburger, a special cheeseburger, right? Do you guys see that? Very good, it's looking good. So now guys, I'm gonna show you exactly how to prepare, alright? So what we got is this is still the mayonnaise with mustard, alright? So paste. good. All right, looking good. So it's here. And I'm going to use the lettuce. Right. This is my onions. Tomato. The pickle. All right. The pickle, guys, very good. All right. Now this is the bacon. Right, you can just put in the top. Looking good. And this one. All right. It's big. It's delicious, guys. And I'm hungry. All right. So now a little bit ketchup. Looking good. Look how it looks, guys. Wow, that looks perfect. Perfect. And I promise this is gonna taste unbelievable. Alright guys, so now guys, cover this. Alright? So now I'm gonna show you guys how to wrap. Alright? Alright, so first you get end to end. Alright, end to end. Goes like that. Bingo. You get the cheeseburger. Alright, that looks delicious, guys. Put this on the top and goes underneath with both sides. And the last one, you just go over. Alright? So now, guys, ready to try this, baby? I am. Alright, let's go. Guys, this is melting. It's really melting in my mouth. So I'm gonna take another bite. This tastes delicious, guys. Nice and crunch. Delicious. Alright guys, you guys have a good weekend, right? Love you all.